Hello guys, hope you're doing well, and I'm back with another video. This is going to be a really short one. I just wanted to share some insights regarding Go High Level websites. So this is actually a client website, and we developed this a few days ago. Maybe it was a month ago. I don't clearly remember the exact date we went live with it, but it's been a while. This has been live, and this actually has started ranking for some keywords. So if I show you, uh, some of the keywords are, I think, getting to, show some results. So if I search for this keyword from the United Kingdom, not States, this is actually in 39. So that's fine. And the other one is in 31. So it's not been a month, and it's already started getting attraction in Google. Now, the thing I wanted to share is how fast these websites are, because website speed is really, really, really important for SEO. It's also really important for when you're running ads on client website or your website. Really important, because it's if the loading time is like awful, like 5 or 6 or 7 seconds, people usually they don't stay on the page, they just move on. So what you need to do is you need to have a really, really high performing speedy website or a landing page. Now, how fast are these Go High Level websites? As you just saw, I've created this website. We've created this for a client in High Level, and I just did this page speed test in GT metrics, and let's see, it's got a 93% performance percentage. Structure is good. Total blocking time, this is really impressive, and this is what I like a lot about Go High Level. So their websites or their landing pages are highly optimized, considering the fact that all their like funnels or landing pages, people run ads on all these landing pages all the time. So it must be fast. It's one of the first things that they need to take care of, and they have done a really good job with it, as you can see. And in Google's page speed, it's got a 43%. I don't know what's going on there. I need to check, really, if the Y mobile page speed is more than desktop, which is 81, which is decent. We could do better, but unlike WordPress, we cannot do like WordPress plugins or caching stuff. What we can do in Go High Level websites is we can just go to the website settings and see this. There's an image optimization. So I've disabled it, and after disabling it, even after disabling it, I've got a really, really good page speed, which is fine for me. It works fine. It works for the clients, obviously, and it works for the agency owners. Now, you can do some experiments with it. I've already done that, and what I can see is it actually, if I enable this feature, it actually messes up my image quality sometimes, not all the times. If you are using an image under 500 kilobytes, then it's okay. You don't have to use the image optimization or compression technique by High Level. That's okay. But just make sure you're not using super heavy images, like more than 1 megabytes. Just make sure you're not doing that. And yeah, that's what I wanted to share. So just like you saw right now, if you create websites in Go High Level, there's a myth that they don't rank on Google. As you can see, it's been less than like 2 months, and we are on the third page or fourth page for the primary keywords, and we've not done any citations, we've not done any guest posts, any off-page SEO. We're just working on the on-page. It's not even 100% okay in terms of on-page yet. So yes, they do rank. Yes, they are really, really optimized in terms of page speed, image compression, and everything, and you can totally rely on them. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share, and I'll see you in the next one.